I'm Veronica, and this is my first video, my first tutorial from this studio. I hope you're okay. I will start showing you, what we're gonna do today. Okay, so if you're gonna start baking and you have no idea what basic you need, this tutorial is for you. Okay, so let's get started. So basic number one, we need a bowl, one of these to whisk, and if you have a handle one, but an extra one, go for it. And if you can have a mixer like this, it just definitely will be the best option. But if you don't have any electric equipment to whisk or mix, it's okay with the bowl and those. Okay, so but it's really essential that you have one. Okay, good. So number two, you need a scale. So this is really important in bakery. You need to know how much grams or kilograms or whatever you're gonna actually put in your recipes. So some of the recipes, they are really, like as you go, basically, and you can put a couple grams differently. It will not affect at all. And some recipes, they need to be really stick to the steps, really precise. So you definitely need one of those. So if you don't have a scale, in this case I got a digital, but you can have any other one. You definitely need one of those. Okay, so this is cups, then they got measurement, and you will be able to actually see how much you put on your cake. Some of my recipes I use cups, some of my recipes I use ones. So I will actually give you the full information every time when I post a video with a recipe, so you know how to convert. So you don't need to buy both. You can buy one and it will be enough. Okay, number three. So we need a knife. This knife is for cutting cakes or bread. It's really different than the one that we have normally in the kitchen or everyone has. It's not flat here. You can see they got a different sort of thing. I don't know how well, so whatever you call in English, who knows. But definitely you need one of those. Without this, you can actually break your sponge or your cake, and it will be not looking as good as you want. Okay. Good. Number four. So you need a tin or recipient which you're gonna put your ingredients after you mixed to bake, of course. So this is really essential. Okay, so my preference is light colors. This one is my favorite one. I don't know if you can see, this is a PME, and this is my absolutely favorite one. Number five, spatula, guys. You need a spatula. Okay, this is essential as well to me. With this one, we're gonna finish some preparation, some mixed preparation, and we use this for chocolate, for buttercream, for anything. Then we actually use this for everything. Plus, you actually going to waste less products if you use the spatula. It's much easier to remove every excess from the bowl or any container. Then you put something there, and it will save you time and money. So this is my 5 essential today. Okay, we finished with my first tutorial from my new studio. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe. You're gonna see the link somewhere here, so you're gonna actually update with any new video that I post. And you're gonna see somewhere here as well around another little screen. Then you can actually click and you can go for next video. And that will be my recommendation. Check as well every information that I put under, and you got my website link as well. Then you can click. I hope you know, you got after watching that you got more ideas about what you want to go for next, what you want to learn, what you want me to do. Is there anything that you're really interested to go for it? Just let me know. Make any comment that you want. I will read it all. So thank you so much for being there. See you soon. Hi, hello guys. It's Veronica from the moon. Oops. Well, never mind. I don't know what I'm saying. It's hallelujah.